Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Cleveland, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we're going to walk through the first 5 decisions you should make before starting any backyard remodel. A lot of people begin with pictures, colors, and furniture. Those are fun, but if you jump to them too early, the project can feel confusing and expensive. Strong projects start with structure and purpose, not pillows and lights. Decision 1 is purpose. Ask yourself, what do I really want to do outside? Maybe you want a safe place for kids to play, a solid deck for grilling, or a covered space you can use even when it rains. Your answer here decides whether you're talking about a simple deck, a larger patio, a roofed porch, or something like a sunroom. Purpose drives everything. Decision 2 is budget. Set a realistic range, and then decide what matters most inside that number. Do you want more square footage, or would you rather keep the size moderate and invest in composite decking and upgraded railings? At Tuff Deck Builders Cleveland, we often help homeowners shift money from flashy extras into stronger framing, better footings, and long-lasting materials, because those are the things that keep your space safe and usable for years. Decision 3 is layout. Think about how you move from the house to the yard. Where will the door be? Where will people walk? Where should the grill go so it's handy, but not in the way? Simple shapes usually work best. Clean rectangles, straight lines, and stairs that don't cut across your main walking path. On many homes, a deck with a small landing leading down to a patio works better than one large high deck. Decision 4 is maintenance. Be honest with yourself. Do you enjoy home projects, or do you want as little upkeep as possible? Wood decks can look great, but need regular care. Composite decking and certain railing options reduce that workload. Covered areas, pergolas, and sunrooms can also protect surfaces from some weather, which can change how often you need to maintain things. Decision 5 is timing and team. When do you want this project done, and who will you trust to build it? Weather, permit timelines, and contractor schedules all matter. Choosing a builder who focuses on structure, permits, and safety helps keep your project on track and built right. If you're starting to think about these 5 decisions and want some help walking through them, you can reach us at 216-600-1264 or visit tuffdeckbuilderscleveland.com. At Tuff Deck Builders Cleveland, we're here to make sure your backyard remodel starts with a strong plan, not guesswork. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Cleveland. Take your time with these first choices, and you'll make the rest of the project a lot easier.